Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. This is Mama Evie Winter's Kitchen. Today, I want to make some sweet, simple breakfast. So I want to teach how I make this breakfast. So for this recipe, I'm using potatoes. I'm using plantain, French fry, and then my fish. So don't go anywhere. Hey, I'm coming right now. So guys, just go ahead and start peeling my potatoes. Guys, I hope you are fine. How is everybody? Your family? Okay. We too are fine. We thank God. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Effie Winter's Kitchen. Don't worry, stay. We serve you good food. So I finished peeling my plant and my potato. I'll just go ahead and cut it into small cubes. Make sure you cut everything at the same size. Don't make some bigger than some so that some will cook before some. It will be hard, but try to cut everything at the same size. So I'm done cutting my potatoes. I have my water inside my pot already. I just go ahead and wash my potato and put it inside the water and start cooking it. So let me add some salt to it. Salt to taste. So now I've cut my fish too. I have my bowl there. That's the flour used to fry the fish. I'll just go ahead and use 1 egg, burst it inside my bowl. Add half cup of fresh milk. I know where my half cup of fresh milk will reach for my bowl. That's why I'm not using measure cup. So you feel free to use your measuring cup to measure your milk. I'll just go ahead and use my whiskey and mix everything together well and add my fish. So this is how it looks. I'll just put it aside and start seasoning my flour. So I'm using Maggi. I'll just go ahead and cut the Maggi into two. I'm using half Maggi. You can use any kind of cube you like. That's seasoning salt. You can use salt instead of that. Garlic powder. Then I'll use my whiskey and whisk everything together very well. I mix it very well. And then I'll go and grab my frying pan and on the fire and start heating my fish, my fried fish oil. I have some used oil there. I use it to fry fish. So I'll go ahead and pour that one first. If it's not enough, I'll add another one. It remains small. I'll just go ahead and add small one to it. Now I let the oil to be hot before I start frying my fish. Let's check if the oil is hot. No, it remains small. So while my oil is getting hot, let me start heating the French fry oil too. So I have my pan on fire. I'll add my oil to the pan and start heating that one too. Now I think my oil is ready. I'll just go ahead and put my fish inside the flour mix. And I'll use the cover to cover it and shake it very well. Shake, shake. Shake it very well and start putting it inside the oil. Can you see the oil? I like if I put fish inside the oil, the way the fly and everything spread. Phew, I like that. So let me check my potato if it's ready. Mm, I think it's ready. Yes, it's ready. I will take it off and go and draw the water from it. Let me check my french fry oil if it's hot. Then I'll start frying my french fry. Guys, I can't wait to enjoy this breakfast. Hmm, it's not ready. It remains small. So let me wait. So now my french fry is ready. My plantain too is ready. I'm removing my plantain from the oil. I land the bowl inside for the tissue to absorb the oil from the plantain for me. So that's my potato. I'm mashing it. So I'll be using garlic powder, black pepper, butter, fresh milk, and then mayonnaise. So I'll use 3 tablespoons of butter. You can use any kind of butter, either salt butter or unsalted butter. 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then black pepper, garlic powder. Then I'll go ahead and mix everything together. Then my breakfast is ready. Guys, I can't wait to enjoy this breakfast. Are you feeling what I'm feeling at my throat? If yes, subscribe to the channel for more video like this. Do you like the breakfast? So I'm mixing everything very well. So my food is ready. Can you see that? Guys, thank you for watching. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.